So we can have a number of encoding formats, and encoding is used to take our standard text in this case and then convert it from a binary format into some other format. So in this case we have hexadecimal and base 64. For hexadecimal we split our bits up, our bit stream, into 4 bits at a time and then convert into equivalent hex. With base 64 we split 6 bits at a time and then convert that into our base 64 character. Okay, so if we have a look at our program encoding, so with this we can take some text that we know. So in this case we'll take this text here and then we'll convert that into base 64, hexadecimal and binary. So we can see here that if we take it one character at a time, then inverted commas is converted into this binary pattern here. A W next is this one, and so on. So what we get is the first few characters. This is the binary stream that we get. If we then look at the conversion that happens, we split our binary stream, and it's this one down here, into 6 bits. So we take the first 6 bits at a time and then we can convert. So then next, for base 64, we take each of these 6 bits. So this is equivalent to, it's quite easy to calculate this one, but we'll just use a calculator anyway. Binary decimal, we get 8. So the character that represents an 8 is an I. The next one is this. Binary here. Again we get 37. And 37 gives us an L, and so on. So this gives us our base 64 stream, which looks a bit like this. For hexadecimal we take 4 bits at a time. So in the first 4 bits we see that's a 2. The second 4 bits is also a 2, and then we get a 5, a 7, oops, 7, and so on. Okay, so this shows a simple example. If we want, we can do the same. We should be able to copy some base 64, and then we'll just get rid of the rest of them. If we paste in the base 64, it should give us our conversion from base 64 into ASCII. We can do the same again for hexadecimal format. So we paste that in there, and we can see it converts from hex into ASCII and base 64. So the conversion happens ASCII to base 64 and hex, base 64 to ASCII and hex to ASCII and base 64. If we want, we can copy to our clipboard if we want, and then we should be able to paste that in. Okay, so let's paste that in and see what we get. And there we go, we can paste in the base 64 and we get our original message back again.